The following is a 2-minute explanation of an automated report utilizing Excel, Access, and Microsoft Scheduler to deliver field reports each morning. The 10 a.m. Oracle report uses 4 source files that are extracted from Oracle automatically at 5:30 every morning. Receipts, usage on hand, and open purchase orders. That data, seen here in green, is linked with variable and flat file data, accounts, hierarchy, departments, locks, run in a series of queries. Queries and tables are on a macro, and that macro produces 5 output tables, which are in X's. Those output tables are linked back to the the Excel user interface through Power Query. You can see the 5 files here. Power Query allows for the compression of the data. The file sizes are not, which would be typically 40 meg without compression, maybe up to 5 meg when sent to the field via email. More importantly, users in the field will not have to navigate through Oracle's database or standard information because it will be at their fingertips via Excel.